name is David Xavier, and I'm about to show you my recipe for making perfect buffalo wings. Brief instruction: you don't want to boil it because that'll separate the ingredients. You just want to get it warm, hot, and not boiling. Okay, first step, thaw out your wings. Put them on a board like this. They're still wet, so you're going to want to dry them out on paper towels. And when you're done with the board, you want to clean it really good to prevent cross-contamination. Okay, your next step is to get a pan like this. For the number of wings I'm making, you don't need a big one. What I'm going to do is put butter in here. For the number of wings I'm making, about a half a stick. Some hot sauce, some garlic. If you don't have garlic that's fresh, you can use garlic powder like this. Some hot sauce, salt of course, and I like to put a little ketchup in there. Cut down on the heat and give it a little sweetness. Okay, this is the sauce. It's ready. I've tasted it and it's perfect because I'm from Wisconsin. Go Green Bay Packers. And as you can see, I dried out the wings as much as I can. Now I will put them into the pan. Okay, these are the wings prepped with the sauce and ready to go into the oven. Tell me they don't look delicious and I will say you are a liar. I will be baking them at 350. You don't need to fry them because that's not healthy. All that cholesterol, and that's a problem in the United States. My finished buffalo wings. If you could just smell them, you would realize how great they are. And again, this is all because I'm from Wisconsin and my mom was a great cook and she taught me how to be a great cook. So please hit the like button if you like it. Thank you.